Let's learn about reflections and real-world movement. A robot starts at a point, 3, 4 on a grid, and moves to its reflection across the y-axis and then to its reflection across the x-axis. Where does it end up? Let's get a visual here. Let's draw our grid. All right, our grid here, we have x, y, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have -1, -2, -3, and -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, made a little grid right here. So let's talk about our robot. It starts at the point 3, 4. When x is 3, y is 4. We got this point right here. That's 3, 4. It then moves to its reflection across the y-axis right here. That y-axis, make it a little better here, Sean. Reflection across the y-axis right there. So reflecting across the y-axis here, y value stays the same, x value is the opposite. So we have -3, +4 right here. Okay? Then from there, we want to reflect across the x-axis. We're reflecting across the x-axis right here. So reflecting that point across the x-axis, x value is the same, y value is the opposite. We have down here, and that's a -3, -4. And so the final position of the robot here is -3, -4. I hope you learned something here about reflections and real-world movement. And as always, thanks for watching.